So we're at the Volvo factory here today to have a look at some of the operations design elements, looking at production efficiency, as well as how does this work in the real world. So we've actually had a really good mixture of bits and pieces, from the small manufacturing all the way to the large pieces that they're bringing in as well. And it's really good to understand the recycling and the green elements of what they've brought in here at Volvo. And they've got a process for everything, which is making it, super efficient and a really well-run operation. There's a big push in Australia to move to outsource and push items overseas, but actually there is still a lot of capability in manufacturing in Australia, so it's really good to understand that whether it's services or whether it's industry and manufacturing, a lot of it can be done internally.
So obviously we came from an ops design perspective to see how a facility operates, but my key takeaway from today was just, it's not about managers coming in and pushing down theory, it's about making sure the workforce understands what's going to be implemented, and I think that was the biggest takeaway. It's not 10,000 engineers in there telling the workforce what to do, it's flipping it around and making sure the workforce understand what they're going to do and why they're doing it, and the majority of their information and ideas actually came from the workshop floor, which is the way it should be.